Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today we'll be talking about one of the most hyped flagship, the upcoming device from OnePlus, the OnePlus 15. So OnePlus won't be coming with OnePlus 14 like before they skipped OnePlus 4 and later on bought OnePlus 5. Similar way they are skipping the OnePlus 14 and coming up with OnePlus 15. And trust me, this phone packs crazy hardware. A 165Hz flat OLED display, a brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and a huge 7300 mAh battery with ultra fast charging. But it's not all upgrade guys. There's also one surprising downgrade compared to OnePlus 30. So in this video, let's talk everything about OnePlus 15. And by the way guys, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribe. First, let's start with the design and display. See, for OnePlus 15, 3 colors are confirmed. One color we are still doubtful. So the colors will be black, titanium, purple, and as per the leaks, we might also see pink variant. The black design is clean with a large camera module standing out. On the front, you get 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED display built on BOE new X3 LTPO material. This time bezels are ultra narrow with slightly curved angles, giving it a premium look. Now here's it gets exciting. The display supports 1 Hz to 165 Hz 80 LTPO refresh rate, making it one of the fastest panel in the world. You also get 2160 Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort at low brightness. Pro XDR ultra dynamic display, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, and a peak brightness of up to 1800 nits. In short, it's not just a gaming display, it's one of the most advanced panel you'll find on any smartphone. Under the hood, OnePlus 15 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor built on 3nm with the 3rd gen Oryon CPU and Adreno GPU. Here's what Qualcomm promised with this chip: 20% faster single-core performance, 17% faster multi-core performance, 23% faster GPU with 25% better ray tracing, 35% more power efficient, CPU 37% faster, NPU for AI tasks. And OnePlus is taking it further with Function Gaming Core 2.0, which optimizes game stability and performance. Now let's talk about the numbers. On Geekbench 6, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside the OnePlus 15 scored around 3832 in single core and 12329 in multi-core. On the GPU side, in 3D benchmark, the OnePlus 15 scores around 3143 points. That's right in the mix with Apple's A19 Pro and a way ahead of last gen Snapdragon chip. For gamers, the combination of 165Hz display and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is a dream. OnePlus 15 will support 165 FPS games in popular titles including Delta Force, Call of Duty, Dark Zone, Leagues of Legends Mobile, and big titles like Wuthering Waves. And OnePlus is positioning this device as a gaming powerhouse. Talking about the camera, OnePlus 15 will have triple camera setup and all the cameras are 50 megapixel. I'm not exactly sure about the sensors. As far as I know, primary sensor will be Sony LYT808 and other two will be Samsung JN5 sensors. We'll have the optical image stabilization and even the 3.5x optical zoom. You'll also get to see 120x digital zoom powered by their new Detail Max image engine. This puts it in direct competition with Samsung Ultra flagships in zoom performance. Battery life is another area where OnePlus 15 will stand out. It will pack 7300 mAh 3rd generation Glacier battery designed to retain at least 80% capacity even after 1600 charges. Charging will be blazing fast with 120 watt wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. You'll see the device getting full charge within 30 minutes. On the other side, OnePlus 15 will come out of the box with OxygenOS 16. In China, it will come with ColourOS 16. And trust me, OxygenOS 16 is introducing a lot of AI features for smoother animation plus the customizations and many new features you'll see on your OnePlus smartphones with OxygenOS 16. I've already made a video on few leaks of OxygenOS 16. You guys can check out the video which is being displayed on the screen. And now here's where we need to talk about the downgrade. The OnePlus 15 uses a smaller haptic motor this time compared to OnePlus 13 haptic motor. On OnePlus 13, the haptic motor size was 602 square millimeter. On OnePlus 15, we'll get to see the size of 560 square millimeter. Basically, the smaller size haptic motor, the weaker are the vibration, especially while typing or gaming. So this is a downgrade what you'll see on OnePlus 15 compared to OnePlus 13. If you are someone who loves crisp and punchy vibration feedback, you'll definitely notice a difference. And I'm the one who is very particular about the haptic feedback. So obviously for me it will be a downgrade, but you guys let me know in the comment section below whether it will be a downgrade for you guys or not. With OnePlus 15 you also get IP68-69 certification for extreme dust and water resistance, next gen cooling system, full range NFC, infrared remote control, also USB 3.2 Gen 1. So that's the OnePlus 15, an insane combination of 165Hz, 1.5K LTPO OLED display, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a massive battery, triple camera setup, but the only compromise is smaller haptic feedback. Overall, this looks the most powerful OnePlus device ever made by OnePlus. So what do you guys think? Does OnePlus 15 do enough to beat Samsung and Apple? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.